Mwanya careful. Ebe kakra mwan kasa mbedi mu dokorokwa. Tie se wa ma hyase akreti ade bi.
Abuza from mamu nyina makwaba e de bagana St0p so. But omo dey so be like video, no be subscribe to the channel, no what turn on notifications say be next time. Videos of this nature eba also sabit makabina so watch your comment section ho. Maybe we from Mr. President Amejo so TikTok or comment section ho. By be we from Mr. President Amejo so. Ko yin na edwum say that chi bia no e betim the new patriotic party aba power. Na ya bana Ghana fo nyina ho ato ko amamo we dey. The need to Sudan say man we need that chi bia. Na the bia me ka sem bi say amanyasom ne yeye no. So wa mo ni anda ho a ho be chiro pa. The moment I be hold the public office, and they say, who say you own it a responsibility. I mean, a sole responsibility to serve the ordinary Ghanaian. But I think, say, I do retirement. If you say a public office no more hold it, as a result of that, it is their sole responsibility to impact and improve lives of people. They have forgotten about that. Abushamin Chankra, Mommy Enko, the Enko video bimra. In the video, we are going to take our time and digest the issues out of the perspective of the ordinary girl, not the perspective of Mr. President. Women commerce is here.
Sure. Mwanya careful. Ebe kakra mwan kasa mbedi mu dokorokwa. Tie se wa ma hyase akreti ade bi say. Honorable Atwea release sika. Emfa nko various ministries no mu emma wo mu fa nya adwuma. So the last time, no me catch me, I may be some whole question say, His Excellency John Dramani Mahama, our president of the land. I don't know appointed Honorable Atwea. It's Honorable Atwea, no, your finance minister, no, ne boss, no president, no. President, no, you didn't take what to ballot paper, so ya got to Abama, no. You think, say, His Excellency John Dramani Mahama, ever Tanasia, yes, hi. That Honorable Atwea our interest bia. That interest, no, overcome or no na. The answer is no. It will never happen. And even His Excellency John Dramani Mahama will not allow it. So for you to say, President Honorable Atwea release sika and found ministries to be moved because of presidential ambition be a sin and so no. Then I don't know what you are saying and I don't know what you are talking about. And you think President Mahama will allow it? Let's assume by not admitting. Because a Greek ministry now says, so I'm going to see why I'm going to crew more air discuss it. And you see free finance ministry and call a Greek ministry. No, but I try and cook and get project. No, and you want policy. And your President Mahama policy. Now, there's a video. I'm a person, me bomb out. Me boss a video it will confirm as some me ba bekano. That Honorable Dr. Eriko Poku and Honorable Atwea me patcho bibia ni omuntem don't create any fiction or don't create any tension. Meeting now a course no deputy finance minister and Honorable Dr. Eriko Poku wo mo sika dodoa Ministry of Finance wo ma release e dey akwa Greek ministry wo mo de koye adwuma. Wo dey tie video we me ba.
We are matching our vision with the sector with sustained funding. I'm happy to confirm that we have released about 1.67 billion cedis, representing 85% of the approved 2026 budget for goods and services and CapEx for the Ministry of Food and Agriculture. And of this, the Ministry of Finance has released 521 million cedis to be invested in the 50 farmer service centers to support mechanization and improve productivity. We have released 110 million to be invested in irrigation infrastructure across country. We have released 515.3 million cedis for the supply of fertilizers and certified seeds to our farmers. 244.9 million to be invested in the poultry farm to table project, what we call the N0ns3nse initiative, and 200 million Ghana cedis to be invested by the National Buffer Stock Company to address the long-standing challenges in distribution and trading of produce. And the World Bank
Deputy Finance Minister Ebo Boss should tell you say yadia President John Dramani Mahama na ni swadi hunu for the agric ministry no there's no way obi betimi aka say odi ni interest at the ministry bi mu no no way be a presidential ambition ti no o mesika nkoho se na be ya sa minister ne ho be kire no menya sure say honorable Dr. Rikopoku wagina baabi aka say ato force mfa sika mai ana menya sure say honorable ato force be kwa kwagina baabi no aka say bia prekura me ne breye onya opposition and ni rebe fit the word another name Nweki. That is how they behave. And no be na moye no mo refisa president Mahama kura wo ho adai why are you doing this nipa no obeka oni fat bi ode back asem no oka no but obeka oh ena ato force na eye ato force ye no a oka so oni evidence o asem no oka no oni evidence but na nia bere because na dwen cha ne say obi akoye post ama bia mo ato force that number 1 enti mame nka bibia be ma ato force ho aye ahi adden ti mo ade mo ye mo hunti aye mamo in a minute the American Ghana 42 ni NDC mo amwa aban mu mate mo ho ase ne say there is a man called John Dramani Mahama and he is the president of the land ni tumi na yen Ghana for ye de man no and 1.1% bi no de amamo someone ni respect ma yen 32 million for na yaka wa bonte na ye mu be say 6 million ekwa 7 million to abama president Mahama na more respecting make kind say the power of our thumb tamuni mu a obi wa hono ma office otimu sisi ya no just 2 years ago no twam wa office wa twam utimi na ni wani hwe ho ukọ ho a enye ye woni tumi bi ade kọ ho but today you are occupying that seat you have to remember that it is because of a name called John Dramani Mahama who is the president of the land Ghana for the tumi amano and wa panic kakra bi president na mo ati akonwa so kra ya chat no respond e to da friend no krofa and the ministers yi any appointees yi o friend say tie ni as a business wo wiase nyina ya de aso awo mo and attention hunu kwa no mo kreti amu kra mo refisa president Mahama kra wo ho and ya na ha me no and mo ye ni nyina e total disrespect to the president so president wo ho now what interest be crying to want me hide the kakrampo supporters is crying to me hide it ebi wa ha come wo ma that could be out of any job beka but it's like air overshadow amamwo na was e koso no and people have relaxed and no money am brain no mati free no mo ya de omo pe hey masa
mo je na da no si mo de bia ye ka ho asem oman we just say yenim oman issue ayewo ko ye hwe ne ma papa na adan kwakufo ad Dr. Laji Mahmood Bawumia ye de ma oman we a any 2024 elections yeko no ma Dr. Bawumia e den na de kire Ghana fa se me ba we ni we na me yama mo na abusia na ke ye nsem pata de yensa kan serious so in fact oman bitimi ko borrow oman bi presidency oman bitimi ko borrow oman bi say leaders are KBA the new patriotic party the leaders of the party KBA borrow omodom kwa another African country to cause development there. For the first time in the history of the country we have generalized free senior high school. The word is generalized. For the first time in the history of the country we have active drone delivery systems. For the first time in the history of the party and of the country yetimi enya active and well facilitated health facilities across the length and breadth of the country. Agenda 111. We may say impoyen because the agenda na the person here number of hospitals in the person is because of time. But those ones yetimi go and see how they have been operationalized. And then me look say we have some of the hospitals in fact equipping hospitals not all right but because of political tantrums and political gains me no say your hospital and the go sana no me nyina say it is a Kenyan you say na no me nyina be ya e say scan kwa kaya de wasa botumi we say oh me say we say people ya akonfo na mu akonfo ti ma sacrifice discard to what their hospitals na mo so mo ya akonfo a comfort ma facilitate am on be fund free seniors so mo ya comfort you say enye Ghana for dey bi na fe na tables na 10 afi dem mo keke mo kakaka why are they shouting obi ankara no ntum ne nko no ho asofo no mo nko ma no ntum asofo no with the greatest of respect omo nko ma no ntum ne nko nyina ho chief imam for nko ma no ntum ne nko nyina ho politicians nko ma no ntum ne nko nyina ho marketing men omo nko ma no ntum ne nko nyina ho obi ankara no ntum ne nko nyina ye ho 2020 do they will know the way forward yeti kroma obi so ono oba ono the credit scoring system beba mo so open ko nkete Nanze bibi ni na nkasa de se bi ye bibi ya nkete ya adwen nkete ye bibi ye bi invest square ye nkete we want everything in pieces we don't want everything in bulk adi asem kra ni obi ma credit scoring system also open ko nkete obi introduce electric or electronic bus systems most open ko nkete is enya mo den you people chose policy you people chose music over policy then yet any nyina ho papa na fe na mbusu wa kire me na wo ne wo sia kire me sabi me na me ko ka kire rajon do mani ma so o mema was come to butu wana ye wa ha digitalization ye start say ye mo se da bi digitalization en to kinki nti mo pe kinki sika nti amamu papa na ba mo ma mo kinki amamu a ade na mo kam ye wo krom ha ya e de rajon do mani ma ko gina fese enkanfo mu gafo ka chom say oh gafo de oh na mo de onye kinki na mo hia digitalization bia e na gafo so okay ne beto ba na ma bum mo to ba ma kinki government a etimi am
Sese die ko ye kra de menu na to me hu letter bi a yoko for tro ye eba council of state member Volta region na me se fiam eh Remona Chapa ya hype ni say we ye can say Israel train
but the issue is true.
Okwe ni letter na was say council of state member no wo ye former staff emanam one which is never true.
Onya
adwuma oda and onya adwuma oda ama nam one for the first time nam one I post. Oh yes, nam one I post.
Yeah, no catch you be say dependent boa.
O si sa asem na listen for the first time nam one and kwa pe baby akoda na nam one no. Yes. Na che say was in no kura dwiri ni say state institution a we intelligence institution. Who need intel?
Ayeka bro.
Problem ni nyina ne say
economy no kwa na eboa
problem ni nyina ne say papa your council of state member or company to good before grab good board beba no to me create a good board alliances no to me to good to me to good etimi good kwa manone ano ni adwuma ko bia kwa pam say me supply o good between June 2025 to June 2026 within 4 or 5 months we team supply good no over 75%. Omu koswa na se maintain ho ase ba wone nipa na oni business ena nipa na fa case di abra wu yoko se osusi se nipa na sisi no yoko we invite directors and managers of the company mo buy who take your statement ama o grant omu bi omu koi wako court yoko na court o court no court will really dey tiawo say this is a civil matter. This is not a criminal because Yoko is a state institution. And you fight for the state and not individual. And this is a civil matter. Already know what's what fizzy on my account without authorization. And I say order from court. And as High Court I really say the oil unique case. What ferry akona koda afi the old fediana afi the was by us say any mokra mo da mempemubium adwuma wura nankasa na mepenache no. We invite and our my no issue document say we're a fugitive. Jane. Tango. Personal attack as if say your office or no and they use a personal agenda. And you're so sad.
No, Raymond Wankasa, me Martin Yamabemi and Sebia. I don't want to talk about
Nana me see the member who know what the very soon who recordings a BP. Very soon who recordings are a BP. And this state institutions are on Sano Huno, and no crash, I'm sorry, I'm for NDC for my